Synod College today, the 16th of November 2021, hosted a special event to commemorate the 111th death anniversary of Ubabu Rabon Singh Kharsuka, who is known as the father of Khasi philosophy. The event began with a welcome address delivered by Dr. R. Lingdo, Principal Synod College, Shillong, and by Shri W. L. Lingdo, retired IAS and the President of the Lingdo Buam clan. This was followed by a welcome song presented by the Thiar Lingwea Depay Society. The chief guest on the occasion was Sri Medbat Lingdo, the Speaker of the Legislative Assembly. A panel discussion was held on the theme, Contributions Made by Upahab Rabon Singh Kharsuka. Mrs. Lucetas Im, a teacher from St. Mary's High Secondary School, conducted a panel discussion. Eminent personalities and academicians constituting the panel included Sri K.W. Nongrum, Professor S.S. Majau, Professor Streamlet Dakhar, Dean, School of Humanities, Nehu, Dr. S. Lamari, Principal St. Edmund's College, Mrs. Eldor Lingdo, Director NRE Pageant India Private Limited, and Mr. Ransom Sutunga, President NRE Pageant India Private Limited. As part of the commemoration, a collection of 10 stories and legends in audio format was released, which also included a song in honor of Upahab Rabon Singh. The event also saw Sri K.W. Nongrum and Professor S.S. Majau being felicitated for their contributions to the Khasi literature. The event concluded with a special number, Father of Khasi Philosophy, performed by the Khmer Society, and the vote of thanks was delivered by Mr. Banri Pira F. Lingdo.
Irani sikat berwar baka jukentu je balo.